I'm traveling 3,000 miles across the country to build a $300,000 lawn care business in just 30 days. This Augusta lawn care location needs to be making $1,500 per day before I can hand it off to a general manager and go back home. I'm starting with no employees, no equipment, and no customers to prove that systems build great businesses.
All right, so today is day 12, and the game plan is I'm gonna literally run a half marathon putting out door hangers. Now I'm really quiet because it's early in the morning. I don't wanna wake up Zach. And I did not sleep good last night. Why did I not sleep that good last night? Because we had all you can eat Korean barbecue till 10 o'clock last night, and I pigged out. And you would too. So I did not sleep very good. But we're gonna go and install hundreds, if not thousands, of door hangers today. You can see them right here. Using this backpack. We'll see how this goes. Okay, so I'm gonna break these in bundles of 100, put elastic bands on them, throw them in the back here, but first I need to fill in all of these because I don't want to be doing that while I'm running. So I'm just gonna do a whole bunch on the same prices and then probably put ones that are like larger properties, higher prices than the regular prices in a different pouch. That's the game plan.
This is recording. Hey everybody, welcome back to Augusta Nation Media. I'm Zach, your host, and here with me in the booth is Mike Andes. Today we're going to be running half a marathon. How are you feeling?
Well, here in the pregame interview, I just need to state that, not feeling great. A lot of Korean barbecue last night, as you know, it goes in fast and it comes out fast. And so last night was a short night. I was in bed, according to the stats, 5 hours and 19 minutes. Not much of that was spent sleeping, so a little queasy, a little bit of game time nerves, but I'm looking forward to it. I think there's about a 30% chance I bail out in the day's challenge. But I'm feeling positive, you know. I got water, got 1,000 door hangers in my backpack. I'm a little concerned about the weight in the backpack. Haven't really trained for that in the past, so we'll see how the day goes.
And you've been running a lot of stairs at the gym. How do you think that's going to transpire over to flat ground entirely? You might go up some patios. Do you think that's going to improve your game, or do you think that that's going to just slow you down?
Honestly, the mileage is not a concern. I've been training very hard recently for this. However, what I am concerned about is the constant stop and go. Going up all of those door steps is going to be a challenge. It's the back and the forth on the knees, and so I haven't trained for that. It's literally 1,000 times going back and forth. It's not a straight line. So the straight line, the miles, not concerning me, but my knees will probably age a few years today.
All right, stick around as we go out into the field and see how Mike does running a marathon.
I know you, man. Hey, man. I be seeing you on YouTube and stuff, man.
I always make sure I don't walk on someone's driveway. Even this house here, I could just walk across, but I always follow the sidewalks and the driveways. So just walking for a second here, almost 3 miles in, and it's just really hot. So I'm going through my water very quickly. So I conserve it a little bit, keep rolling. All right, let me stop real quick. Let me show you this. These pants, they are not made for running. We're an hour and 14 minutes into this. We are almost at 4 miles. So currently like a 3.5 mile per hour clip. Not too bad. If I knew this area better, I would do a better job of getting houses that are closer together. What's killing me right now is a lot of dead ends. Whereas if I can go back and forth across a street for a really long time, I get way more done per hour. a little over halfway. Only 7 miles. Oh man. How's it going? Good. I only have like 8 or 9 more of the lower price ones.
Probably some of both.
Oh,
Got all the goods right here.
oh, dude.
Feeling the heat?
The first little bit it was in my cab just because of the backpack, but now it's fine. It's just now exhaustion. It's so hot.
Yeah. Well, I brought you a few goodies.
Look what we got. Oh, you got ice. Let's go. Oh, dude, I shouldn't have another Celsius. I already had one of those.
Well, there's a few other things. Why don't you dig around?
Oh, dude, let's go.
Here you got a healthy cookie.
Oh, yeah, dude, I'll do a couple of these.
And water. What else they got in there?
I got a Quest bar.
Yeah, keep looking.
Genius, dude. Let's go. Oh, that's so perfect. Oh, man. I got to take a picture for Built for Business or Trainer Rich. Oh, man. What is this? B12 yerba mate and lemon. Ginger, cayenne, lemon, carrot, ginger. Oh, my goodness. Oh, man. Let's go.
Both right now? Let's go. Nice.
Oh, yeah, dude. Halfway.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, dude, that'll wake you up. Is it the one you had yesterday?
Yeah, it's good.
Oh, man. Dude, I've drained like all my sweat. Oh. Oh, man. Good stuff, dude. Thank you.
Yeah.
So I have an estimate at 3 o'clock. So you want to pick me up at like 2:30?
Yep.
This is crazy. Dude, like 10 minutes after Zach left, it's pouring. Pouring down rain. This is insanity. Goodness, we gotta find some shade. It's crazy, man. Look at this. You can hear it. It's a deluge. All these just got soaked. There's no way I can really do this, because everything's just gonna get soaking wet. It's literally pouring. It's crazy. Okay, well, in a few more minutes, Zach's supposed to be back. I'll go do my estimate. Maybe that'll like at least help a little bit. Okay, a few more minutes. Zach should be here. I'm gonna try to go do my 3 o'clock estimate, and then hopefully this rain passes over because these are getting trashed, completely trashed. This is nuts. Oh my word. Like I'm just putting wet paper on people's front doors at this point. It's crazy. Well, it used to be sweat, and now I'm just soaked overall. This is crazy. Absolute insanity. I guess door hangers is one of those things you can't really do in the rain, because everything just gets soaked. All right, I gotta keep running at least. Nice little break. Hey, it went from 90 degrees to 90 inches of rain per minute.
Oh!
Dude, look at this rain.
Get in, dude! Hurry! Check it out.
Oh, dude, let's go. Dude, it's like soaking. All right, so it's 2:40. I'm headed to my estimate. It's still pouring down rain. This is not good news. Like, I am going to finish the half marathon. Whether or not I do it, door hangers has to be debated because
Go past
I'm just
this
gonna.
light. Then at the next one, turn right.
Because I'm gonna end up just literally carrying a bunch of wet paper around. And all right, so we're at the estimate here. This is it right here. These are new construction homes. There's a bunch of sod has been put in. You can tell it's not taking very well, so looks like they're trying to get some irrigation put on it. Probably a little bit of fertilization too. See what we can do for them. Some good thunder to accompany the estimate. Very good. Oh, and some lightning. Okay, well, we finished the estimate, and this is what we're working with. So, there's lightning, a lot of rain, and now we're hitting traffic. This is just great. So as I sit here in traffic, in the pouring down rain, this is the part of the episode called Pay the Bills. And a big part of what makes this all possible and the production and having Zach here for the video is lawncaremedia.com. So I really appreciate everyone's support. It's where all of the door hanger designs and flyers and yard signs and postcards, all of that's there. Now the big news of the day, big news, is that there's like 5 or 6 new designs in lawncaremedia.com. And if you have the full package, it's already in your account for free. It includes things for hiring, invoices and estimate documents, call intake forms, and a host of other really cool designs. So check it out at lawncaremedia.com. Thank you. I try not to be super pitchy or promotional, but definitely the links in the description is kind of how we pay the bills. And I'm grateful and appreciate everyone that supports what we're trying to do. Back to your regularly scheduled programming. Okay, we are now officially in a torrential downpour. It's gonna be a swim for the rest of this marathon. The door hangers will not be making the trip. So, we got about 4 miles left. I'm not looking forward to it. It is not getting any better. These are very big puddles. That person just hydroplaned, and that's not good. Let's go. Couple more miles. It's raining, but a little bit better. Quick math is that if you're running in a pretty tight neighborhood, you can probably do 120 to 150 door hangers in an hour. If you're walking, I think 50 to 60 door hangers an hour is very reasonable. So only time will tell over the next couple days what came as a result of today's efforts. Put a lot of miles on my shoes, but only was able to really do the first 7 or 8 miles doing door hangers. Probably put about 400 out is what I'm thinking. But yeah, otherwise this would have been soup in all this rain. So look at that, put door hanger in that one. All right, see you guys tomorrow.